What's good, guys? It's your favorite Slim Shady here with another video. In today's video, I'm going to be doing a mini shopping vlog with me. It wasn't planned. What you blind? It wasn't planned, but y'all know, like I said before, I'm trying to give you guys contents back to back. So I just decided to take my phone up and do a little vlog for you guys. No, it wasn't planned, so I did not get to go a lot of places, but it's still content. You guys are here for it, and I hope you enjoy. Alright guys, I'm about to go live down my battery. I'm dead. So, I'm just like go popping.
What? Bro, what are you talking about, man?
Because I'm trying to get content for them. I'm really trying to get content for them. People look at me like me, I'm mad. But, yeah, popping port. Remember, it's the content that counts. So, yeah. Okay, so y'all, this is just me drinking water and minding my business because at this point I couldn't find any of the main items that I wanted at the mall because of my petite ass body. But eventually I did get some stuff and I really liked them. I'm going to be showing you guys a few that I tried on. I don't know why I was here doing the most, acting as if the mall wasn't about to close in an hour time. Yes, it looks bright outside, but it was actually some minutes to 7 or 8.
That I don't want you here. It's something about the way you stare into my eyes. I know that I don't make things clear. I fall for you every time I try to resist. We can get away. Come chase beach views and then every day. All I wanna hear is an episode how we play. Sit right next to you.
Okay, so guys, like I explained earlier, this trip to the mall, it wasn't really planned. Also, my battery was dying, the mall was about to close, like everything was just happening at once. But I got some other stuff as well. I might just record them to add into this video, as well as I might just do a part 2 as well. But yeah, that is it from me in today's video. If you haven't already, please remember to like my video, subscribe to my channel, and leave some positive comments. Until next time, walk good, love you guys, peace. May I have your